Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Crunchyroll account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile at the top right. Then you want to click Settings. Then under Account, you want to click Password. Click Reset Password. And then you want to enter your email address and click Send. And now you want to go check your inbox for a message from Crunchyroll. So the email should look like this, and it should come from hello@info.crunchyroll.com. And you want to click here under password reset. And you want to type in your new password and click reset password. If you're logged out, you can try accessing Crunchyroll from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To change your password, you want to head over to the Crunchyroll login page. Then you want to click Forgot Password and enter in your email address and click Send. And now you want to go check your inbox for a message from Crunchyroll. So the email should look like this, and it should come from hello@info.crunchyroll.com. And you can click here under password reset. And you can type in your new password and click reset password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to the Crunchyroll support page. It's on your screen now, and it'll also be in the description as well. And under please choose your issue, you want to select account/login. And you want to fill out this form, so your email address. Under problem type, you want to select account recovery. And for subject, you can put something like account hacked. And for a description, you can use the description that I have in the video description and tweak it to your situation. And you can add attachments if you like and click submit and wait for a response from Crunchyroll support. Here are some tips on securing your Crunchyroll account. Secure your email. Verify that the email on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you followed the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.